What's up YouTube? Welcome to another unboxing and diorama build. For this episode, we are going to unbox Mariko from Quiccs and Devil Toys. Here we see the shipper's protective box with all the discreet markings. Then pull out the main box with the vibrant artwork in front. The pink and teal color scheme represents the accent colors of the figure. The back design shows the actual proportional art of the figure with the Tech 63 logo. The box has a window area to see its contents. It also reveals an artwork for its alternate colorway. So let's carefully open the box. The clamshell packaging reveals its three main components: the Mariko figure, the Neko figure, and the Tech 63 helmet. It comes with a bonus DIY Neko figurine you can paint yourself. Let's open the clamshell and the protective packaging. There's the four main contents: Mariko, the black Neko, the DIY Neko, and the Tech 63 helmet. Mariko has katakana and bullet punk markings all over her jacket while having black, teal, and pink color accents to the rest of the body. The Tech 63 helmet accessory can either be installed as a visor or as a full-on helmet. Mariko is designed by Filipino artist Quiccs as a part of his bullet punk universe and as a female version of the Tech 63 figure. The figure's aesthetics combines your typical anime girl with elements from streetwear and mecha. Now that we've unboxed the figure, it's time for a diorama build. The modern Japanese vibe the figure gives calls for an urban Japanese setting, so we will build the hole-in-the-wall ramen shop. So let's start the build. Let's start by creating the table area. The table must fit the base and has allowance for the thickness of the walls. Join and putty the counter part of the table while building the edges. Cover the lower part of the counter by using a thin plywood board. For the walls, 20 cm wooden plank boards will be attached on each side, then covered it with putty. We'll then cut 20 cm wood strips to form the door frame for the walls. A combination of wood plank and wood strip makes up the ceiling area. We'll then attach half-inch wood strips at the back to create walls behind the counter area. After that, let's build the banner holder by cutting a piece of bamboo wooden straw into its desired size and sticking popsicle sticks on the corner. Sanding and scraping will start once everything has dried up. After sanding, let's spray the area with primer gray and the hanger with primer red. Using the primer helps show up hidden imperfections that would be needed to sand or scrape. We'll cut U-shaped styrene sheets and a wire molding to be used as railguard. The outermost frame of the shop will be painted in a darker shade of gray to achieve depth, and these railguards will then be painted in gloss aluminum. The internal walls are then painted in navy blue and wood deck tan, while the center table would be painted in primer red. Finally, the lower area will be spray painted with white and the framing with black. After painting, it's time to remove the masking tape and reveal the colors. Then attach the railings. Now let's start making the banners. This is done by using craft paper and reverse printing katakana ramen wordings into white cardboard. These characters would then be cut out and glued into the navy blue craft paper. These banners would then be attached to the painted bamboo rod. The rod would be glued to the upper part of the ramen shop. A hole is drilled into the base and the screw is inserted for the exhaust pipe. The main structure is then glued to the base. The frame for the menu is then made by sticking together several pieces of coffee stirrer sticks. The same procedure will be done for the back door frame. These will be puttied, sanded, and painted. A printout of the menu will be attached to the frame. Back wall will be glued. Accessories such as water bottles, ramen bowls, and chairs will be attached. It's time for the light installation. We'll be using a headlight attached by blue tack. Lighting it up and placing Mariko with her neck. So that concludes our build for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll leave you with some pics of the completed diorama. Till next time, goodbye!